You're not going anywhere. The case is holding it.
Yeah, the case is holding it.
You gotta just take those 2 bolts out. And slide it in. Okay, so where's this hole? Hold on. Where's that bolt? Where's the one on there?
It's gonna...
You got to put it where we can get to it, so we need to be on the hot here.
Yeah. Take that out.
Okay, slide her in 3 inches. Was it heavy? Oh,
No.
you poor thing.
Let me try to...
What you do for a living? Thought you worked for a living.
I
First
do.
you say my cutter's too heavy, now you're saying this is too heavy.
Guess I don't work hard enough.
That's the problem. Now I can get to it now. A little clearer. We have room now. What's your elbow over there? That thing over there hits you. It hurts.
Oh yeah.
Is that within a thou like I had it? Oh yeah, definitely. Now we got 3 different cutters to choose from. I'm going to use this one. That one fits here pretty nicely. It's going to take a lot of metal out of this one to make it like that one.
Oh, hopefully there isn't any interference. Barely. Oh no, it sounds like 1/4 inch.
Is that vibrating?
The run out on that.
Run out. Like barely broken on. Run out. You work for government or something? Got money to burn? See, the hole's oversized, so it takes advantage of the whole hole. You go for that?
Yeah.
You did tighten this case up, didn't you? There appears to be a little bit of unevenness in this hole. Alright, I'm going to leave all of it in there. Okay, I've got some burrs here to deal with now. How you wanted it. Burr free. Okay, it's perfectly lined up now, right? Just go straight down.
Hopefully. In theory.
Oh yeah, perfect. Alright, I'm going to move over a little further.
We're going to piss in that sidewall.
How about the outside wall? Not very flat. Who did that? That was not square to the bottom. So we squared at the bottom, so we know it's square.
Yep.
So it's 24.3 up here and 20.7, but we moved it. What's the new number? It was off a little bit, remember 3/10 of a degree off or something? $24.78. We had to move it half a degree. $20.2 now over here. That's different than the panhead motor. About a half a degree different. Maybe it's wrong.
Yeah, nothing's perfect.
It's flat to this surface, but this surface wasn't very flat, so. It's square and it was. That one was way off, whatever that was at. This one came in pretty even, so
Yeah.
this one was off. So you gonna do anything about this?
I'll probably just take a file to it.
A file? Barbaric. How about a hammer?
Hammer and a chisel.
You use a number 2 file or number 3 file? Still sharp in there.
That polisher will take care of it, probably.
That's right, you got these all buffed up, aren't you?
Yeah.
See, I didn't clean it like you said it was going to. Yep. Buffed them up. I need that yellow thing over there in the show.
This yellow thing?
That yellow thing.
Ooh.
So you untangle the cord. Right to the floor, it untangles it automatically, see? See that oval hole?
Mm-hmm.
Cleaned up. Can't get to that one. Got too much crap in the way. We'll have to do those later.
Yeah, when it's off.
Okay, how's the back ones?
They look pretty good.
You got a nice uneven surface there, you mean?
Yeah.
Do you want room to put a big washer in there like the front, or are you gonna?
Yeah, fuck it.
Yeah, keep a little small washer.
Big,
Okay,
big
what are we gonna do
washer.
about that problem?
Gotta move it, shift it back.
We're gonna have to raise the motor up, or lower the motor down, or raise the chuck. Yeah, that'd be the one.
Easier, it's down.
Yeah, amazing how that works. I'm the one that has to crank it up though, that's the problem. Alright, you're good.
Okay.
Well, you stop on downstroke, you know better than that.
Great.
Okay, you gotta loosen those up. You have to twist it at a 45-degree angle so we can get access to it. You can put that on 0 either. Somebody moved to 0. Probably me. There, now it's 0. It's very important you have it on 0. We'll leave one in, you only take out 2. There you go. Alright, we can probably get to that. Tighten her down. Looks even to me. Looks like it's almost square. Give or take a couple inches. Tight? Ain't gonna fall off.
Hopefully not.
What cutter do we use? We use the big one.
Yep.
One that goes right there like that. Feels like those holes aren't quite 3/8 of an inch though. Did you lose it? No. There you go.
Reamer. That just means it's gonna hold it even better. It's a tight fit. Call that a friction fit.
Friction fit. You have a friction fit right here. Now you can put a bolt in the hole. Without fighting it. Beating it with a big ass hammer.
Yep, that's exactly how
It just doesn't work very often.
that's what they call it.
Difference between tapered and straight. It's pretty slow. Quicker. Someone's making fun of me not doing this quick enough. When you get more sleepy, you can do it quicker. This is not very flat, this surface. See, I didn't match up very well.
Yeah.
So maybe these angles are wrong on the other side of the motor mount.
Yeah.
How about now? What number did you like before?
20.
20.7, I think is where it was at.
Yeah.
You do my pen. You snagged my felt tip.
What pen?
Any kind of a felt tip? Where's that green one?
You had it last. You took it from me and
I
drew a
did.
bigger F on it.
I'm gonna give it back to you. Where'd you get it from?
Right where I got it then.
Over there in the green pile. There used to be a bunch of felt tips over there to use, especially like red ones. I guess we're using green now. You know what that means, don't you?
No.
That means we go until we hit. It's more even now?
Yep.
Still a little bit of headlight on the right here.
Yeah.
That looks good enough. Hey, the green went away. A little heavy there, but it is cutting out here too, so it's pretty even. Pretty low in that back corner. Hopefully when they buff them, they don't take the whole corner off, but they probably will. Buffers are good about doing that. They will cut this all the way across here. Or I can cut it off right now for you if you want. Because they're going to knock it down completely. That's how they do it. Unless you tell them not to.
Yeah, I was probably gonna mask all the areas before I took it to them.
They know what to do.
Yeah, but you never know. You might get that one person.
You just have to tell them what kind of job you want. Usually cut this off, they match them up. They'll grind all this stuff flat. They'll grind this down to match this one.
So they take away the mismatch.
Yeah, they'll cut it down. They'll cut this one down as thin as this one. So I tell them, leave that damn thing alone. I like the mismatch. This one here, they can cut. They're going to cut this away unless you tell them not to do any of this stuff, because they'll make this thing fly all the way across.
Yeah, I'm gonna tell them that.
It looks better if you make that go away.
I like the ugly look.
It doesn't look like a Harley, then it's custom. All right, so we got those done. So we got to deburr the corners, which you can't do because you got it attached. So I'm going to take this thing off over here. I got these stupid cylinders in my way. I don't know what's up with that. How tight did you do this?
Not too tight.
Oh, jeez, that's tight. Sure makes a lot of noise. Look what I found in there. Alright. To the ground before it goes on its own. Damn. how big those holes are. No wonder I couldn't deburr that. Look at that size of that thing. That's what I can't do either. I can't get to it.
It's 2 holes next to each other.
Okay, deburred. Yeah, it's like 3 holes in one. How many holes do you want? I don't know why that was hard to make that level. Look how unflat that is. It's flat there now. It's a nice flat surface. How about that?
Oh shit, you're bringing out the big guns, huh? I had a feeling once you walk back there, it's like...
Well, this is the body file. That's why it's raised like that.
Oh.
Tables. See, that's why we have a problem. See the big high spot?
Mm-hmm.
This is not flat, but it makes it look pretty. You see, it's not flat. See, it's
Yeah, it's a
curved.
little curve.
A little? A lot. I'll give you an idea what it looks like.
It still cleans up most of the high spots.
It's good for taking off high spots, but it's not good for making it not flat. So, alright, turn it off.